Hey guys, it's me Pondakal, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can keep on making money online in an autopilot way. I'm going to show you everything in a step-by-step process so that you can understand each and everything and implement it for yourself. So if you are new to this channel, then please do subscribe to this channel and do like this video. And if you have any question, then ask me in the comment section below. Now without doing any delay, let's get started. So if I go to this Microsoft ad, now if you don't know what Microsoft ad is, then it is like Google ads. Okay, if you type Microsoft ads $100 coupon in the search bar, then you can get this first result of the search term, and you can click on it, and then you can click on this sign up now. And you'll be able to get $100 free advertising credit on Microsoft ad if you spend $25 in Microsoft advertising. So if you make an account and spend $25 in Microsoft ad, then you will be able to get extra $100 free ad credit. So you can promote any offer in Microsoft ad. And if you need any help to promote your offer in Microsoft ad, then I have a full course that's available on YouTube for free. I'll put the link of that course in the description of this video. You can click on it and learn each and everything in a step-by-step process. So if I search for social media jobs in this Microsoft ads keyword planner, then you can see there are lots of search terms and the bid is pretty low. Okay, and there is 1140. These search terms are not accurate, okay, but it is somehow up and down to this number. So that means that anyone can come in Microsoft ad and they can target this social media jobs keyword or keywords that are related to social media jobs or making money with social media. They can easily target these kind of keywords. So now if I do ad preview and diagnosis by typing this social media jobs, if I see what other peoples are learning ad, then you can see no experience needed, social media jobs that pay. So now I can clearly say that this is an affiliate offer, and you can also promote it by targeting the similar type of keyword. So you can see no experience needed, social media jobs that pay. Okay, and it is saying paying social media jobs. Now for this specific affiliate program, there are other also. Okay, this may be also affiliate offer, but I know that I'm pretty sure, 100% sure that this is a offer that is currently running in Microsoft ads. So now other people are already making money with this ad. So that means you can also replicate the same thing, target lots of keywords that are similar to social media jobs, and you can keep on making money on autopilot. I'll also show you other 2 free traffic sources that you can use to promote this specific offer. So now to get this offer, what you need to do is you need to go to clickbank.com. So if you don't have an account on ClickBank, then I would suggest you to create this account on ClickBank, because this specific offer is available on ClickBank. However, you can promote other offers that are pretty similar to this also. You can find it in Digistore or any other affiliate network. But for this video purpose, I'm going to show you this offer in ClickBank. So if you log into your ClickBank dashboard and click on this marketplace, then you will see this kind of interface. This is the new interface of ClickBank, and you can just type get paid to at here. Okay, and click on search. So, and if you scroll below, then there are lots of other offer, okay, that pays like this much amount for this kind of get paid to talk about your favorite brands. Okay, and if you keep on scrolling, then you can see get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So initial conversion is $22.85 and recurring bill is $47. Okay, so altogether the average commission that you can earn from this specific offer is $30. Okay, so now what you need to do is you can simply click on this promote button and you should put your account nickname at here and click on create pop link. So now you can copy and you can direct link. You can promote this offer in Microsoft ad by using direct linking. Okay, so let me see what this offers URL looks like. Okay, so it is saying that paying social media jobs.com, paying social media jobs.com. Okay, so if you see on here, then it is also paying social media jobs.com. So what I can do is I will minimize it and scroll it below so that you can also see paying social media jobs.com. So this is the exact offer that other people are already promoting and making money. So now what you can do is you have already grabbed your affiliate link. Now you can go to the description of this video. Okay, after completely watching this video, okay, there are other two free traffic sources that I'm going to show you. So what you can do is go to this description of this video, then you'll see my YouTube free full course on running direct linking campaign on Microsoft Ad. Okay, I have shown you each and everything in a step-by-step process in that specific video. You can watch that. It is like of 1 hour, and you can easily follow along with whatever I have shown you in that full course video. You can watch that and follow along, and you will be easily able to create a direct linking campaign on Microsoft Ad. So now once you start to run this ad campaign in Microsoft Ad by targeting these kind of keywords, then you will of course start to make some sales. And then what you can also do is you can go to a specific site that is called simpletraffic.co. okay, simple traffic, simpletraffic.co. or what you can do is you can simply search simple traffic in your browser, and you will be able to visit to this site. And you can see it says drive real visitor to your blog. We have already talked about this site in our previous video also. If you have watched, you can get up to 2500 free visitors on 5-day free trial. So these are real people. Okay, these are real people, these are not some bots. And whenever these people see this offer, so what happens, people will visit to directly to the site. Okay, let me show you. Okay, so directly this kind of interface will be opened. Here there will be the flag of their country, and we need more social media worker from this country. Okay, and online social media paying jobs that pays 25 to $50 per hour. So of course people will be interested. They will start take this quiz and fill their email address, all the info, and maybe they have some offer that they will promote them, and if they make sale, then you will get paid in your ClickBank account. So you can get up to 2500 people for absolutely free with the 5-day free trial. So now if you see their pricing, then you can also subscribe to their monthly plan, like $15 per month. You will get 500 visitors per day. Okay, so if you start to get sales with the traffic that this site is delivering, then also you will be making money in autopilot. Okay, so now this is one free traffic source. So the next free traffic source is this Hercules Plus. So let it load firstly. So this Hercules Plus will allow you to send email to 1000 people, okay, per day. So you can advertise to 1000 daily for free. You don't need to pay single penny. Okay, you can literally send email to this 1000 people. So now from where you will get this email is just go to the affiliate page. Okay, yeah, in affiliate page, if you see, let's wait. So in this affiliate page, if you click on this email swipes, okay, if you click on this email swipes, then there are lots of email that you can literally click and get all the subject line, body name, and put the link. So I have also already made a tutorial on how you can use Hercules Plus. Then I'll also put the video of that specific video in the description of this YouTube video, and you can watch that, and you will be able to create your account on Hercules Plus, and you will be able to send email daily to the 1000 people. So what you can do is you can also use this free traffic, and additionally you can also use Microsoft Ads paid traffic. So higher quality traffic will be from Microsoft Ad that will bring you instant sales, and you should see which of these free traffic source will be able to bring you sales on a autopilot basis, and keep on repeating the same process. So this much I wanted to show you in this video. I hope this video added some value to your life, and if it did, then please do like this video and do subscribe to my channel. Take care, have a great day ahead. Bye bye.